Hello. So today it's kind of a rainy and depressing day, and I can't see what I'm doing. Ah, there we go. Nice. This one unwrapped kinda nicely. So, okay, open up. Goodbye. A bit of chocolate. Nothing's rattling. That means it's very, very full. Let's see what's inside. And ooh! Oh yes, it's another Tron power motorcycle. A gold one. Okay, let's put it together. So if I remember right, you're supposed to put this one here, and then you drop the flywheel, and then you put it here, and this part here. There we go. And then you shove the rider on. I don't know. This? I don't think so. It goes like this. Yeah, there we go. Like this. And voila! It's a motorcycle. And it goes. Hee hee! It's kinda nice. So now I have a blue one and a gold one. And all I'm missing is the red one. And the collection is gonna be complete. Well, thank you for watching, and have a nice day.